iba yung tama sa inyo.
Sige, ako na mauna.
Iiyak yung isa
Para
eh.
Hi, Zine. This is Jasmine Curtis Smith.
Hi, Zine. This is Esteban Mara.
Hi Zine, this is Kate Alejandrino Juan. Absent siya.
Sorry,
Absent.
Pero alam mo na yun. Ikaw na yun. Siguro ako na to.
Ilang
Siguro
Ken?
ako na to. Kasi may
Hataw
mga
immunity.
absent din ako.
As a busy girl.
Correct.
Siyempre, humahataw imida tayo. Maraming gigs na ginagawa. As a dancer sa umaga.
Dancer pa rin
Thespian sa
gabi.
gabi. At semi-dancer pa rin.
Hataw imnida.
Movement artist. Mover. Diba? Ganon.
Absent din eh.
Mga ganyan.
Sige, ako na. Hindi, ako na rin.
Sige.
Kasi ang dami eh.
Tsaka di kasi umalis yung character niya sa
Correct.
stage.
So, minsan, explain.
Ano lang? Sige
Let me explain. Hindi, kasi may mga scenes na pare-pareho ng setting, ganyan. So, minsan nabubulbul ko siya na, ay, oo nga pala, hindi pa tayo nandyan. Okay. Sige, ako, una. From digital series, Got My Eyes on You, I play the role of Sean. Isa siyang anak ng mayaman. So, meron silang sariling tawag dito, resort. So, feeling ko maku-culture shock siya kasi since si Leo ay medyo nasa laylayan. So, complete opposite. Pero feeling ko naman, kasi knowing the role of Sean as well, di naman siya will come from someone na will come from judgment. Alam ko mas interested pa siya.
Ako parang now that I think about it, the first ever serye I ever did was Oh My G. And I played the role of a Christian school girl, na mean girl, pero nagva-vlog din siya sa school. So now, if she looks back, her name was Roma. If she looks back at me now, like si Candy, feeling ko masya-shock siya kasi she's so flamboyant. And she's still vlogging in a way because she's making content creation now. So siguro meron na siyang character development kasi hindi na siya naging Christian school girl.
Ako naman, I had a character before in a movie called Siargao, si Abby. Ayaw niyang umalis ng probinsya niya because in her mind, this is where home is. Hindi ako alis dito. Si Tanya, she knows na may opportunities abroad. Gusto niyang mag-pursue ng dream job niya abroad. So, there's that polar opposite na yung isa knows na, you know what, it's okay. If this is what life is here, this is my home, this is where I'll stay. Pero here is also Tanya na, gets ko yun, pero andun yung pera, andun yung opportunity, andun yung life na gusto niya.
Ganda ng mga opposite.
Diba?
Ako na to.
Ako na to.
Yung totoo talaga Leo, and I said it na backstage, I wanna be a Leo para maka-love team ko na si Jasmine once in this lifetime. Please.
Kasi hindi natutuloy.
The movie we did last, ako yung ex.
Oo.
So, let's make it real.
Oo. Same. I second the motion. Leo din ako. Tapos ang pipiliin ko is si Candy.
Leo.
Diba? Oo, ganon.
Pero ikaw, feeling ko Candy.
Hindi.
Kayang-kaya mo yung Candy.
Hindi, gusto ko yung Tanya.
Yung vlogger, no? Na,
Kasi
Bakit
nakaka-relate
Tanya?
ako. Dreamer po kasi ako. So, feeling ko lang mas makaka-relate or ma-apply ko siya kay Tanya. So, lumipad.
oo.
At saka gusto ko rin maganda. Parang wala. Sorry.
Ako yung German scenes ko talaga.
Oh, yeah.
Yun talaga, no? Okay naman
Hindi, okay ako dun sa Korean eh. Ayan. Pero may pa-German pa itong si Tanya kasi gusto talagang mag-Germany. So yung mga German lines, it's fun, but sometimes bulol or ano.
Dagdag isipin pa eh.
Oo parang yung blocking ko kasi andun na pero hindi ako makatawid kasi next word, ano nga ba yun? Pero okay lang. Masaya naman. It's a good challenge. Why? You just have to buy tickets muna. You have to go to Ticket to Me and buy it.
Link below.
Hear it.
Sa akin, ang daling sagot kasi nung breakup scene. Confrontation with secret.
Which
Malay nyo
girl?
kung kanino. Hindi,
Sa sarili.
ang dali kasi sabihin nun, pero para hindi yun yung sagot ko, yung confusion, yung scene where Leo decides kung sino ba talaga yung nararapat sa kanya. For me, ang hirap nun.
Kung iba yung tama sa inyo.
Sige, ako na mauna.
Iiyak yung isa
Para
eh.
makapag- Ako, love. Love talaga. Kasi, ang analogy ko dyan, since end of contract nyong magjowa or nyong magpartner. So, it's very important that you really communicate what you want in life, what you want for each other, how you see yourself, what kind of life you want to live. Kasi ako, I believe, as long as nalatag niyo yan lahat, tapos nagkasundo kayo, kaya naman eh.
Oh. Ako siguro yung out of the whole thing, the general theme of keeping your head up. Kasi lahat ng characters dito mapapansin mo isang malaking representation din ng sambayan ng Pilipino na kahit anong paghihirap, pagdaanan, whether it's natural disasters, whether it's corruption in the government, whether it's, job security or any other issues that we face as a country, nakikita mo na people keep going, people keep their heads up and they just try to keep reaching for their dreams or pursuing the love that they want to have or the dream job or place where they want to be. Boogs, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Copy-paste. Ang gaganda. Ang gaganda. Wala na akong masabi.
Career. Sure si Tanya.
Love.
Love. Sabi ko wala nang explanation. Pass your papers na, di ba? Bayan.
O sige, ako may explanation ako. Love. Because I believe. Hindi, kasi si Leo just needs someone who will put their trust sa kanya. And kapag naramdaman yun ni Leo, yung belief niya rin sa sarili niya magsisimula.
For Candy, what really grounds her and should ground her is love. It could be for herself or and could be the relationships that she craves for. Kung mahal natin ang isang bagay, kung career man yan o tao, you want to savor each moment with them, but because of the world we live in, we don't have time to invest. So, we have to choose tuloy between the two. When we could marry the two. Kabawi ako sa'yo, girl.
Ayan, everyone. Hello, Zine Magazine. I hope you guys catch Endo. This is a story about love, ambition, and tough decisions para sa mga pangarap natin sa buhay. We are showing when?
April 10 to May 10 at the PETA Theater Center.
Links to follow and to buy tickets below.
See you at the theater.
Thank you, Zine. Be heard, be seen, be Zine. Yes! Stop what you're doing and clap for us!